Okay, here we are on part 6. We're going to show you how to do a starter kill the old conventional way. Now some of the newer alarms already have a starter kill relay built in, but I'm going to show you the foolproof way, the way of always doing it, the way I've done them in the past. It's easier that way, I think. So let me take you over here and I'll show you what we got to do. Alright, so I'm up underneath here. I want to kind of show you guys how this works. So starter kill is kind of a tricky thing. You have to actually cut the wire. So on this particular 96 Chevy truck, the yellow wire is my start wire. I've already confirmed that. I put my test light on it, go to hit start, and it turns power, and then when I turn start off, it's no power. So you cut the wire. This side of the wire actually comes down to the middle pole on the relay, on a 5-pole relay. So that's the green wire. The other side is the yellow. It comes down to the 30 pin, which is right here, which is that purple color. And then the other two are just your power and your ground that energizes the relay. So this one right here is power that you get from your fuse box. And this one here is the grounded output out of the alarm. Usually, it's generally the orange wire on the Viper alarms. And that activates the circuit and kills that circuit there. Well, it activates the circuit on the relay, but disconnects the circuit so the current can't flow through it. And then when you turn the key off and you unlock or you disarm the car, it'll actually take and reconnect that circuit so that you can start it. That's the best way I can explain it. These other wires come from the remote start because you have to have power to the remote start because the key will actually, the remote start actually activates the start system. So that's what this green wire is. And the purple one also goes down to the alarm system itself. And that's the other side, that's the key side. So hopefully this helps you guys understand how starter kill works. Most of the newer alarms now have a built-in internal relay, but I wanted to show you how to do it old school. I will also include a diagram from carfire.com and 12volt.com, which will show you how to do it and show you how to wire it up. But that's pretty much how you do it. You got to cut the circuit, send one into the center pole, send the other one to 30, and then just energize the relay. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to walk you over to the relay so it helps to make sense. All right, so this purple wire that I got, which is actually 30 pin, is going out to the starter side, which is the yellow wire that we cut, but that's its output, okay? So the input, which is the key side, same yellow wire, but we cut it, which is the key side, which is going into the middle pole, all right? So these two outer poles are what energize it. This one right here, the red one, is just our hot power. That's what gives it power. This blue wire here, this one goes down to the alarm, to the orange wire on the alarm, which is the grounded output, 200 milliamp grounded output. Comes up, energizes the circuit so that when the car is running, when the alarm system is on, the start wire will not work. And I can show you how that works. All right, in case any of you are wondering what starter kill is and why it's important, let me go ahead and show you how it works. So with the starter kill active, right now it's off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the alarm on. Now I'm going to try to start the car. And nothing. It will not start. Alarm will go off, but it will not start. So I turn the alarm off. Okay. Now it'll start. That's the whole purpose of starter kill. Disconnects the circuit when the system is armed and the alarm is on. Alright, so this video I showed you guys how to install a starter kill. Understanding the relay, how it works. I'll also include maybe a picture or a link, some descriptions down below so that you guys can reference the actual wiring diagram. Makes it a little easier to understand. But you do have to cut that starter wire. This one, on this 96 Chevy Silverado, it was the yellow wire. You have to cut it completely and wire it into the relay. Then you have to energize the relay and use the orange grounded output out of the alarm on this particular Viper. Some other alarms may be different, but you're looking for a grounded armed output, 200 milliamps, something like that, and then wire it into that relay and polarize it. So hopefully this video helps you understand starter kill, what it is, how it works, why it's important. So please rate, subscribe, let me know what you think. Stay tuned for part 7. We're going to be installing the dome light supervision, and we'll see you guys next week.